the world's first superhero motivational speaker, TMoore The Motivator.
Your time is now, because heroes inspire us.
We need more of these coming to our schools.
Only those who believe in good can bring it into the world.
I wouldn't think it would be something like this. It was really awesome. I think it should be done at other schools. I think it could really change people's perspectives, really change people's lives. I think it could change people for the better.
Hope isn't gone. It's just waiting for you to believe again.
He's larger than life. His presence is enough.
Hear me and hear me well. We have to be greater than what we have suffered.
The connections he made were about failing. He failed. And that's what fantastic to see that, because the kids can see, yeah, I failed too. So that means it takes me so many times to fail to actually succeed.
Remember, hard times come to challenge us. It's what makes us who we are. Only when being tested do we truly know how strong we really are. So we must get tested. Remember what I said. Hope isn't gone. It's just waiting for you to believe. So believe. The time to inspire is now. So become the hero.